pursue them. Today, of such great personality. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I take this privilege to welcome our respected principal, Mr. Raj Hulmani sir, Vice Principal, Mr. Ishwar Patil sir, Admin Officer, Mr. Arun Zadav, and also extend my hearty welcome to all my dear
ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಜ್ ಹುಲ್ಮನಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದುಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಉಪ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಪದೋನ್ನತಿ ಹೊಂದಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಆಡಳಿತಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ, ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಬಂಧುಗಳು, ಸೋತೆ ಎಂದು ನೀ ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಿಂದಿಡಬೇಡ, ಸೋತೆ ಎಂದು ನೀ ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಿಂದಿಡಬೇಡ, ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಇತಿಹಾಸವನ್ನೇ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಇತಿಹಾಸವನ್ನೇ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮಾತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಉಪ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ಬದುಕಿನ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಮಾತು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಎಂಥವರ ಮನವನ್ನ ಆ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಹಾದಿಯನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಪದೋನ್ನತಿ ಹೊಂದಿಕೆ ಅವರು ಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಶ್ರಮ, ಶಾಲೆಗಾಗಿ, ಶಾಲೆಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಶ್ರಮ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಧನೆಯೇ ಹೌದು.
Which have shared with us. Memories are the assets which will help us store each and every moment of our lives. The only thing which we remember are the moments spent together and nothing else. To highlight more of this, I invite Mr. Sandeep Patil sir for his melodious song.
मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनकी सपनों में जान हो। यूं ही पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता, यूं ही पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। ये जो हौसला है, ये जो शक्ति है और ये जो जज्बा है, इसके कारण हमारे प्रिय सर ईश्वर सर, इन्होंने जो ये मुकाम हासिल किया है, उनकी मेहनत के कारण ये उनको प्राप्त हो रहा है। अच्छे लोगों की सबसे बड़ी अच्छाई होती है कि वे अच्छे होते हैं।
Madam Sir, and my dear colleagues. I take immense pleasure to share my experience working with Ishwar Sir. Believe in yourself and do the actions. Success will follow you automatically. Yes, it was indeed a decade of Sir's dedication service to Poddar institution. It is always saying, people who do good things, they never end with bad. Yes, Sir is full of ethics and values. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
चेहराए बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज़ ही पहचान है, गर याद रही नाम जाएगा, चेहराए बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज़ में पहचान है, गर याद कम हंसी नहीं, आज है जहाँ कल फिर कहीं, वक्त से परे अगर मिल गए कहीं, मेरी आवाज़ में पहचान है, घर याद जाएगा, चेहरे बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज़ में पहचान है, घर याद रहे। जो गुजर गई कल की रात थी, उम्र तो नहीं एक रात थी, रात का सिरा अगर फिर मिले कहीं, मेरी आवाज़ में पहचान है, गर याद रहे हो ना तुम जाएगा, चेहरे बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज़ में पहचान है, गर याद रहे।
कोशिश हमेशा परिणाम मिलने तक करें, कोशिश हमेशा परिणाम मिलने तक करें, क्योंकि दुनिया सिर्फ परिणामों को सलाम करती है, कोशिशों को नहीं। मैं किसी से बेहतर करूं क्या फर्क पड़ता है, मैं किसी का बेहतर करूं बहुत फर्क पड़ता है। वक्त हंसता है, वक्त रुलाता है, वक्त ही बहुत कुछ सिखाता है, वक्त की कीमत जो पहचान ले वही मंजिल को पाता है। खो देता है जो वक्त को जीवन भर पछताता है, क्योंकि गुजरा हुआ वक्त कभी लौट कर नहीं आता। इस 4 लोगों से मैं आज की इस संध्या को मायूसी के साथ नहीं बल्कि खुशी के साथ गुजारना चाहता हूँ। Respected principal sir, my colleague vice principal sir, staff, housekeeping staff, non-teaching staff, all admin staff, and everyone. Really, we are not feeling bad, but it is little bit somewhere we are missing that place where always used to come and see Ishwar sir. I want one letter. Ishwar sir said, okay, which letter? I want that letter. Sir used to open the PC and he used to give me. Really pleasure to have one authority person to look after everything. I know it's a pressure for work. Maybe he can ignore the people for that post, but he never does that. You might have don't know when you are feeling that outreach 5, I was here, and everybody has filled the data. Data was filled in such a way that everybody might be your friend that it was very nice what I felt, what I have written. But behind that success outreach, only one man, and that is Ishwar sir. You might have known he has sit till 12 o'clock night and he has collected all the data, each and every teacher's data, and that was I am the witness for that. And it was reached before everyone, our school data. Isn't it the so many things? I cannot share now, but everybody was witness that what sir was doing. So, as all you know, we have all the gathered here to bid adieu to our very wonderful colleague. It is a sad day indeed to say goodbye to a person who filled this place with joy through their presence. As you begin your new journey, I would like to take this opportunity to express the deep appreciation for your hard work. It has been an honor to work with you, as the time spent with you has been indeed cherishable. Even though you have worked with us for so long, you have never let the organization down in any way. Your professional behavior and hard work will definitely serve as an inspiration to all your fellow colleagues. Thank you, your brilliant mind. We were never short of creativity, and I hope you never lose your knack for innovative ideas. Most importantly, you have taught us what is to be a team player and how to put the company's interest above all. Will just make it harder for us to work without you. It would be fair to say that your energy and fun-loving attitude transform our every morning into lively ones. You have truly made a great difference in the workplace through your matchless contribution. I would like to especially mention the way you have exceeded your goal tasked by the administration. In addition to your professionalism, your personality traits are also something everyone wishes to surely possess. A productive, honest, reliable, and talented human being is the best which describe our very dear colleague. The way you have contributed to this organization cannot be put into words. We will certainly miss how you always got the job done perfectly without any kind of delay or excuses. Undeniable, you are a mentor and inspiration to a lot of us in this workplace. I take a look around in the hope of finding and wondering who will be the able to fill and void that we will create leaving us today. So sir, really thankful to you with working with you last 2 years. I was here as an admin officer and always you helped me wherever I start. Always I used to go to sir, this is happening, that is happening, sir has asked this, sir has asked that. Sir always say wait, I'll be there. And so I congratulate once again and wish you a very bright and happy future life. Thank you.
Felicitation is for appreciation. Felicitation is for recognition. I now request our principal sir and admin officer sir to felicitate Mr. Ishwar Patil sir by presenting a bouquet and a small gift on behalf of entire staff of Porar International School, Belgavi, as a token of love and appreciation.
सागरे ग सारिणी सा 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 सागरे ग सारिणी सा 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 प म प म प ग म ग सा प म प म प ग म म प सागरे ग सारिणी सा 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 सागरे ग सारिणी सा 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 ये जीवन दिल जाने दरिया का है पानी पानी तो बह जाए बाकी क्या रह जाए नगमे हैं शिकवे हैं किस्से हैं बातें हैं नगमे हैं शिकवे हैं किस्से हैं बातें हैं बातें भूल जाती हैं याद आती है ये यादें किसी दिलों जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती है यादें यादें यादें
all the tasks given by me, he was completed on time with so much of efficiency. Dear Ishwar, my colleagues, it's very tough to send him from here. I have taken initiation long back because I have seen that work put in by Mr. Ishwar. He is not less than any other principal in Porar International School. He takes all work very sincerely. and his approach was very polite, very polite. Even you don't want that any work supposed to be not done, or he wanted that word no problem, or he is expecting something. It is very sensitive. It's a very thin line, a very thin, invisible line to draw between me and my decision. That was Mr. Ishwar. Today, the organization in its peak, it's not because of me. He's the one who has put a lot of efforts to execute all the inputs from the organization. He's not a simple person. He's a person of lot of knowledge and dedication.
Respected sir, Raju sir, admin officer, Mr. Arun Jadhav, all my friends, housekeeping staff, Shantaram, Santosh, all the members of the school. It's very tough. Beginning when I started my journey, Poddar was secondary thing for me because the education from where I have taken central government, which runs under NCERT, and I was not that much of studious, but I used to have a dream to just go to the higher level and to just work for the country, not for a particular organization or a small school or not for a small group of people. That was my dream. But these are all coincidences that I came across in the school. I joined the school as a teacher in between one of the division increase, and unfortunately I was there at that place and I saw the ad and entered into the Poddar. And there were so many members, 60, 70 around for English course, and the principal said, it's okay, you are fresher and good enough, and just will give you one try, let us accept. I said, okay sir. So the way he spoke to me, the same way I also thought that it's okay, just I have to, whatever he said, I have to perform, and within few time, if I get clear net set and the PhD, I will move from here. That was my dream. Because we never expected, as after taking higher education, I never dreamed to go into this field. But the moment when I entered into the Poddar, when I understood the policies, when I understood the organization as a whole, then I started thinking, why not we can make this organization only as our, life. Then I started working very sincerely. I started learning so many things. I have not taken the thing like the thing is being given to me and I have said no sir, I can't do that, or it's okay, it's not for me, or I have not denied that, or I have taken but I have not said like galti se ho gaya. No. Whatever they have given, sincerely I have done, honestly I have done. Though I may not get the praise or appraisal from them, but definitely I was satisfied. Yes, something I did. So next time whenever I have to do best. So that was there. Staff 60, 70 staff members were there in my previous same organization. So somehow I started doing it. I was very fresher. I was not knowing how to deal with the students and all. But since I took the BEd from a very reputed organization, I was knowing handling of the students' behavior concepts. So I started teaching. But still, when you go to the particular area from where you are not belongs to and where you are going and handling such kind of people and students, definitely it gives kind of difficulties. But I learned. Due to my personal reasons, then I took transfer from there to Belgaum. There, when I left the school, obviously the strength was 2,500 with 70, 80 teachers, and I was there in the leadership team. And it was not a coincidence that I supposed to take the transfer because a child was there, he was a small baby. That Belgaum, I saw the school to access ground floors, building, hardly few students there, and 30 members were there, founder members. And I thought that now this is the right time to leave the school and to go somewhere with the, somewhere in colleges or the universities. I was having discomfort. Surety was not there. But again, my wife motivated me. No, you just carry on. Whatever is there, you just carry on. Take that very positively. Then I took slowly, I got support from all of you, all the members who were there from the beginning. We enjoyed a lot, family, and we did the great work on the school as well. So I was not knowing when I proved by myself, and when I got an opportunity to become the coordinator, so the leader, even I was not knowing that I may become VP, and this is a dream for me. Still I am not, standing here in front of you, but I am not trusting on myself that Sir has given me this opportunity to go and just proceed to school, take new assignment. So indeed, it's a great surprise for me, maybe because of the efforts taken by me and the support given by you all. Because the support is very important. Support is not there, one man cannot do. It's not knowing that the success of our school is not only the efforts done by the me, but also the efforts done by everybody. Only thing is, the chair was there, direction was there, platform was there, which I have utilized for a maximum time to achieve success more and more. So because of that, I am the one who has got this opportunity.